I believe that anyone can learn to ride. So if you've just got on a unicycle and you're like, wow, this is impossible, I'm not going to be able to do this, try and let me reassure you that it is possible. You just need to put the time and the effort and the practice into it. Position your foot on the pedal, on the bottom pedal, and then just raise yourself up very slowly. And this is all I want you to do for now. Pedal along, pedal along, pedal along, and then break away and just see how far you can go. Just flailing around, even though you might feel and look a bit like an idiot, you'll help to sort of naturally stabilize your body. You're gonna fall a bunch of times and you're gonna drop the unicycle. Don't worry about that. Focus on just saving yourself rather than trying to catch the unicycle every time. And this is gonna take some practice, but once you've learned it, you'll be able to get on anywhere, which I don't know about you, but that's a pretty good skill to know. Hello there. You might be wondering what you just watched. Well, that was my trailer for my new video course on how to ride a unicycle. It's 20 minutes long, it's for complete beginners, and it's available right now on Vimeo. So I don't know, if you're struggling for gift ideas for people this Christmas, and you're looking for something to give, and you know that someone's interested in getting started with unicycling, then I think this is a pretty comprehensive course on the subject of getting started, setting up the unicycle, and just getting rolling as quickly and as easily as possible. That's it. That's all this video is. It's just to promote it and say it's available right now on Vimeo. It's 10 quid. And I don't know, yeah, if you know someone or if you yourself are looking to ride and you want to be taught by me, and you're looking for some kind of catalyst into like, yeah, you're thinking, okay, I want to learn to unicycle, but I haven't really put the time into working out how to do it. I highly suggest this video because I think it's pretty good. That's it, really. I'll have new videos. Yeah, I've got some exciting stuff coming out in December. I think I've got about 3 videos coming out in December, which will be proper videos. This isn't a proper video, this is just a little announcement video. But I've got some fun stuff coming out in December, so I will see you for those. But yeah, on Vimeo, how to ride a unicycle with me. The video is out. Please check it out. All right, bye.